And they're off. Special reports. Game is speed, and Stahlbaum sends him from the outside, trying to clear him before the turn. Won the West from the inside, gets away well in second. Artistic Fella is moving up toward the outside. Artist View moves up third. Mr. Feelgood from the trailing spot fifth. Artistic Fella room to drop in front of him from fourth. Total Truth is parked on the outside. He's racing in sixth. Spin Rate is seventh. Forensic Z-Tam wrestled back. Artistic Fella already underway for Tetrick from the fourth spot. Zipping up on the inside. Southwind Links. He's ninth in heavy traffic. The quarter in 27 seconds flat. Western Shore comes away 10th toward the outside, and Myanmar trails the field, and here comes Artistic Fella. Artistic Fella up and around Special Report, and he takes the lead before the half-mile marker. Won the West is sitting chilly up close behind the leaders from third. Artist View is racing in fourth. Mr. Feelgood flushes him to the outside, so Artist View is first over. Total Truth is sixth. He's third over on the outside. They reach the half in 54-1. Spin Rate paces up the pylons in traffic. Racing in eighth on the outside. Forensic Z-Tam, he's fourth over. Southwind Links is pinned down in ninth. Excess Cover fifth up for Western Shore, and Myanmar is 11th on the outside, trailing the field, and it is Artistic Fella who leads it. Artist View is right at his throat on the outside. Special Report is jammed in the box right now, and Mr. Feelgood looms the danger. He's second over on the outside. Won the West, shuffled back fifth, 3/4 in 1:22. Artistic Fella turns for home with the lead. It's Artistic Fella who's a length and a half clear. Mr. Feelgood kicks off cover. Artist View trying to hang in there. Special Report trying to find a way through. It's Artistic Fella. Mr. Feelgood charging hard on the outside. Mr. Feelgood getting up. Artistic Fella. Special Report late. Mr. Feelgood. Special Report hit the wire together. Mr. Feelgood and Special Report photo in 1:49.